assembly of the Harbor Freight Tools trencher. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the main beam, main arm. And we're going to add the arm that has the trencher itself on it. We're going to add the hydraulic control. We're almost in the home stretch. All we got left to do now is connect the bucket boom, some more hydraulic cylinders, and then we'll be connecting the control mechanism, and then all those hydraulic arms. So we'll go over this before we do it. Right now, back to time lapse. Construction is done. We have a backhoe. Everything is supposed to be connected is connected. I have two pins that do not have in there right now. Those are locking pins. And one of them goes right there. The lock's over here. I believe we have another locking pin on the arm somewhere. I'm trying to remember that. I'm too tired to remember right now, really. But, yeah. She's all set up, ready to go. Everything was numbered. So I installed the hydraulic rams in sequence with the numbers. You see your control station here. You know, left, right, up, down, in, out, and out on a bucket. So here we go. There's a nice our seat, which is adjustable. And a 9 horsepower engine. They make a start starter kit to go on it, electric start. I don't know if I'm going to invest in that or not, but here we go. This is it. So what I need now is fluids. Oil for the engine, hydraulic oil, hydraulics. And there you go. Yeah, and gasoline, non-ethanol. The bucket is 1.24 cubic feet. So we're going to measure, we're going to figure out what our cyclic rate is with it. We should be able to do, well, I don't know if I got this pin in exactly the right place for the long stroke or not. But, I'll figure that out too. You know, slide that pin back, no big deal. So, all right, Harbor Freight trencher. We can go do samples. We can go do work on the farm. We can go do light trench work, backhoe work. We're set to go.